Hello, good morning, dear student. This is Sonia Kaushik, and today we are going to start human health and disease, and we are doing MCQ multiple choice question from this chapter. This is chapter number 8 from 12th biology, and here are some MCQ. This will help you in exam as well as in CBSE exam as well as in NEET exam. So let's start today's topic. First question: the term health is defined by, in many ways, the most accurate definition of health would be. So the options are: health is a state of body and mind in a balanced condition. Health is reflection of a smiling face. Health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being. Health is symbol of economic prosperity. So option C is correct. Health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being. Next question: the organisms which cause disease in plants and animals are called. So the organism that cause disease are called pathogens. That may be bacteria, that may be fungi, that may be viruses. Next question: the clinical test that is used to diagnose the typhoid. Typhoid is a disease, bacterial disease that is caused by bacterium Salmonella typhi, and it is diagnosed by option D is correct, Vidal test. Next question: disease are broadly grouped into infectious and non-infectious disease. Identify the infectious disease. आपको इनमें से infectious disease. My dear students, infectious disease होता है that is caused by any pathogen like virus, bacteria, fungi. So from these options are cancer, influenza, allergy, smallpox. So influenza, this is called by Haemophilus influenza flu virus, and smallpox is caused by variola virus. So option second and fourth are correct. So option influenza and smallpox are given in 1 and 4 option. Second and fourth option are given in D. Option D is correct. Next, fifth question: the sporozoites that cause infection when female Anopheles mosquito bites a person are formed in. बेटा sporozoites कहाँ बनते हैं? They are formed in salivary gland of mosquito. Option C is correct. Next question: the disease chikungunya is transmitted by. So the disease chikungunya is transmitted by, again, the mosquito, that is Aedes mosquito. Next question: many diseases are diagnosed by. Yes. Question number 7. Many diseases can be diagnosed by observing the symptoms in a patient. Which group of symptoms are indicated of pneumonia? Beta, pneumonia is a disease that is caused by Streptococcus pneumonia bacteria, and that mainly affects lungs. So let's check. Option A: difficulty in respiration, fever, chills, cough, headache, constipation, abdominal pain, cramp, blood clot, nasal congestion, discharge, cough, constipation, headache, high fever, weakness, stomach pain, loss of appetite, constipation. So I think option first is correct. Difficulty in respiration, fever, chills, cough and headache. Next question: cancer causing genes are called. Beta, cancer causing genes are called oncogenes. Option C is correct. Question 9: in malignant tumor, the cells proliferate, grow rapidly and move to other parts of body to form new tumor. This stage of disease is called metastasis. Alright, this is called metastasis. Very you can say fatal property of the malignant tumor. Next question: when an apparently healthy person is diagnosed as unhealthy by a psychiatrist, the reason could be: the patient was not efficient at his work, the patient was economically prosperous, the patient shows behavioral and social maladjustment, he do not take interest in sports. So बेटा mentally अगर कोई problem है या तो option C will be correct. The patient shows behavioral and social maladjustment. Next, which of the following are reason for rheumatoid arthritis? Rheumatoid arthritis The ability to differentiate pathogens or foreign molecules from cells increases body cell attack. More antibodies are produced in the body. The ability to differentiate foreign and from self is lost. Yes, so beta it is a autoimmune disease जिसमें हमारा immune system हमारी ही body के खिलाफ काम करना शुरू कर देता है. So body attacks self cells. Second option भी correct है. And the ability to differentiate pathogen and foreign molecule is by self cell is lost. तो option second and fourth दोनों ही correct है. And option B में दोनों आएंगे, second B और fourth B. Next question. AIDS is caused by HIV among the following. Which one is not mode of transmission of HIV? Transfusion of contaminated blood, sharing of infected needles, shaking hands, sexual contact. So option C will be right. Shaking handshake से बेटा AIDS नहीं फैलता है. Next, smack is a drug obtained from. So smack is obtained from the latex of Papaver somniferum, that is also called poppy plant. Next, the substance produced by cell in viral infection that protect other cells from further infection is interferon. Viral infected cell secrete a chemical that is called interferon. Next question. Transplantation of tissue organs to save certain patient often fails due to rejection of such tissues organ by patient. Which type of immune responsible for such rejections? So but after transplantation, if the body of the patient is you can say is not able to adjust the grafted part and it rejects, so that may be cell mediated immune response. और दैट में कम इन ऑटो इम्यून रिस्पॉन्स, जिसमें अपनी ही बॉडी के पार्ट को, क्योंकि ग्राफ्टिंग के बाद उसी की बॉडी का पार्ट हो जाएगा. सो ऑप्शन ए विल बी राइट, ऑटो इम्यून रिस्पॉन्स. एंटीबॉडीज प्रेजेंट इन कोलोस्ट्रम. बेटा कोलोस्ट्रम इज अ येलो कलर फ्लूइड दैट इज रिलीज फ्रॉम द मेमरी ग्लैंड just after delivery. So IgA secretory antibody will be present. Next question. Tobacco consumption is known to stimulate secretion of adrenaline and non-adrenaline. The component causing could be, so that nicotine is present in tobacco. Antivenom against snake poison contain. Antivenom के अंदर क्या होगा स्टूडेंट? एंटीजन एंटीबॉडी complex, antibodies या एंजाइम. So that may contains antibodies against the antigen, क्योंकि venom will act as antigen. Next question. Which of the following is not a lymphoid tissue? Lymphoid tissue spleen भी है, tonsils भी है, thymus भी है. So pancreas will be the right answer. Pancreas is not a lymphoid organ. Next question. Which of the following glands is large size at birth but reducing in size with aging? So that is thymus gland. C is the right answer. Hemozoin. Hemozoin बेटा कब रिलीज़ होता है? It is a toxin released by plasmodium infected cell and it cause chilling effect and fever in case of malaria. Next, which of the following is not a causal organism for ringworm? So ringworm is caused by the fungal species that affects. So that is which of the following is not a causal organism? So that is option D, microsporum, क्योंकि first three option microsporum, trichophyton, epidermophyton, all three genera causes disease. So I think microsporum is the right answer. Next question. A person with sickle cell anemia is तो बेटा मलेरियल पैरासाइट यूज टू ग्रो इन दिस RBC. सो दैट इज़ लेस प्रोन टू मलेरिया. ऑप्शन सी विल बी राइट. मलेरिया नहीं हो पाएगा उसको. सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट द ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम द चैप्टर ह्यूमन हेल्थ एंड डिजीज़, एंड these are NCERT based questions. So this will be helpful for all the students who are preparing for different board exam as well as for NEET exam. All right. So this is okay for today. Goodbye.